Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel. Today we have 2012 Ford Fusion and we will be replacing front sway bar links. So the car is already on the jack stands, so let's get the wheel off. To get the wheel off using battery powered Milwaukee Impact. Fantastic tool. Almost 1500 pound loosening torque. And I will leave all the links for parts and tools in the description to the video, so check those out. Okay, here's our sway bar link. You can see that there is easy access to the top nut, but the bottom one is always been a pain to get to. So the idea is we have both sides of the ground. We will remove the top one from both, and then we'll try to lower that sway bar link low enough so we can access that second nut with the impact too. I'll try to use my 1/2-inch impact with 2 extensions and 14mm socket. And it started to spin. Got it quite a bit, but now it's all loose. Let me check if there is spline so we can grab it from the back. So there is no place for the wrench in the back, so I'm just using vice grip, see if that works. And it does work. So this one is loose. This vehicle is not perfectly leveled. So now we will go on the other side and we'll do the same. Okay, so lowering the sway bar didn't do much, honestly. Still, it doesn't go low enough to use the impact, so we're just using a ratchet. And also, like if you're dealing with this type of sway bar links, there is an opening for H5 Allen key to hold it in place, same on the bottom. So I'll try again using the vice grips, but if that does not work, we might need to use that Allen key with wrench. It's not working so great. Try to readjust a bit and grab it again. Oh, it's just slipping. So we use that H5 Allen key to hold and use wrench to get that nut off. The other side went okay with the vice grips. That hole might be plugged and rusted. Just need to make sure that you can get it all the way in so you don't strip it. In the worst case scenario, you can cut those off as you are replacing the sway bar links anyway. But often, if you need to remove them for other reason, unfortunately, cutting off is very often the only option. So we'll just work on this until it is completely off. Some new when you're like Moog, they would come with the spot for a wrench at the back, so it's much easier. Okay, so now we can remove that link. The new one has pretty much the same design. So there's a place for Allen key inside. There's no place for a wrench. So we will get the new one in. They are the same on both sides. One thing that I will do, I will put some anti-seize on threads, because as you can see, they can get seized with time. So we'll get it started. And then we'll just need to continue with wrench. This is not 14 anymore. Right, so now we're using 17 mil wrench, ratchet and wrench, box size. It's a good idea to have those when you do this job, so you can still hold the middle part and ratchet the nut around it. We'll get it snug. And do same thing at the top. We'll put some anti-seize. My brush broke. Slide it in. Put that nut back on. Oh. The same way, put the wrench at top and the key in the middle. Oh, this wrench is starting to give up. Now we will torque it to 32 foot-pounds, top and bottom. This is the top, to the bottom. That's 32 foot-pounds. And we are done. Now we will move to the other side. We'll have to reinstall the wheel, torque it to 100 foot-pounds. But that would be it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the links for parts and tools. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care.